Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open up and see what's this thing. Looks like we got some swimming shorts. And the paper here. Cardboard. Here it is. There's tie-ins. Has a pocket on this side. It has a hole so that water can come out. Drain. Back. There's nothing there. There's another pocket here. Same thing. There's no pockets on the side. Just the ones down below. Alright, so if you're interested in this swim trunks, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel, so thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.